Buyers don't want to guess. They want to experience. Meet Spatial Agent, an AI-powered guide built for modern real estate experiences. Buyers can chat with it, ask about layouts, amenities, pricing, anything. Or skip typing and just talk.
Take me to the 3D view.
Sure, taking you to the 3D View tab for Provident Harry. Enjoy exploring the property in 3D.
Yep, it responds in real time. There's also an AI avatar that walks users through the project while answering queries on the go. And for a truly hands-free experience, our AI-guided walkthrough narrates the project, highlights key features, and leads buyers through every space seamlessly. And honestly, this is the best part. Want mood lighting, minimal interiors, different furniture? Just prompt it. Our AI feature transforms the space instantly. This isn't just a walkthrough anymore. Stop making buyers imagine. Start making them experience. Spatial Agent by PropVR.